Hey everyone, it's Matt from my Model Y Adventure, and I love having my Starlink Mini, especially for road trips, having a constant internet connection for not only the car if we're traveling somewhere that doesn't have good reception, passengers needing to use internet, but when you're in the car, you're limited in the essence that if you are, say, going on a hike, maybe you're going to a cabin in the woods that doesn't have electricity. How are you going to power this thing when you're on the go? Now, you, of course, can use those big power stations that have a large amount of battery, but they could be 20, 30 pounds. Instead, I picked this up from CTMods. This is a little power bank that is also a mount for the Starlink Mini, and it also has USB-C charging for both charging this power bank as well as distributing it to any USB-C device. This thing is also a stand that allows you to mount the Starlink on top of it to be able to put this outside in the grass, to be able to use the internet from your Starlink anywhere that you can carry this. And I don't have a scale with me, but I'm guessing this thing weighs like 4 pounds, maybe probably even less, somewhere around that. But stay tuned. I'm going to walk you through this in kind of a quick review, just to kind of show some stats here. This is a 45,000 milliamp capacity, and from what I understand, this can basically support a Starlink Mini for like 8 hours or so is what it is rated for, at least what is kind of being advertised on their website. So stay tuned. I'll walk you through this and also include a discount code of how you can save some money when you pick this up from CTMods. So when you buy a Starlink Mini, in the kit comes this little attachment that you can use if you're going to secure this onto like a pole. And it just simply slides in here into place. And then here's what's included with the kind of power station from CTMods. You get a Starlink Mini cable that is for power, of course. You have a USB-C cable, which is nice that they include one. This is a braided material. I plan to just basically use this in my car. And then also you can plug it into the power station. And then I have this kind of set up here in the stand mode. This does not lock into position. It's something I think that is maybe a missed opportunity, because I would love for it to be able to lock into position, but it just slides into position. And then at the bottom here, if I just close all the legs, there is this button right here, and that just opens the legs. So this is very easy to use. I'm using it one-handed right now as I hold the camera, but you can just push the button, flip it over, and then be able to open it all the way up. And then it does include this nice little carrying pouch that you can put everything into. So to be able to use this, you're just going to basically, I'm going to move the mount here. You can take one side of the plug, and I'm just going to plug it into the Starlink here. And then you can just slide this into position. So I do have this loosened basically all the way. You can then grab your mount here. And I should say this lid on top is also removable. So if you do have like a 1/4 inch mount, you can put other devices on here, like a camera, GoPro, anything like that you want to put onto here. But you can see the cap is not, let me do it this way. It's not a full kind of circle here. You can see it does have a flat spot here and on this side by the bottom, which is what's going to fit into this mount right here. So that's a nice kind of secure mount. Let me get this screwed back on into here. Gonna grab this, slide it into here, and then it's just a matter of tightening this so it does grab onto the power station. Let me turn it the other way here. So there is a power button right here, and then it does have some LED indicators. You can see not illuminated, and then press it and it is illuminated. I believe it is 3 out of the 4 bars right now. And then there's this plastic cover here. One side is for the Starlink power cable. I'm just going to plug that in. The other side is for charging the device or using USB-C out if you're going to charge something else like a phone. Then you can just slide down the mount here. Oh, need it this way here, one-handed. Slide the mount. You can see the blue light blinking on the Starlink. So I do have power to this. So this would be great to be able to use if you're going camping too. You don't want to have necessarily be, if you're parking your car, you know, say I'm at a forest preserve right now, but if you're parking your car over here and then your cabin or your tent or whatever is over here, you may not have great reception of the Wi-Fi going all the way across over here. But this is portable. You can put this in here. You can charge this directly from the Tesla vehicle using the USB-C power cable that comes included. And right now my Starlink plan is just like the standby mode. So I don't have a subscription because we're not doing a road trip. Our next one is not till March. So I'll be able to do a more in-depth kind of use of this. But I just used this earlier today to actually upgrade my Starlink software that I haven't done for a few months. And it worked great. It has powered this thing. Completed all the updates. Everything works great with it. But it basically allows you to put it anywhere. And then if you put it on the ground, these legs are pretty stable. It was windy earlier today, and you can see some of the brush over here moving around. I didn't have any worries or concerns with this falling over. This is very, very stable on here. So I'm back in my car really quick. I wanted to check something. I wanted to see if I could charge the power bank while it is actually powering the Starlink Mini. So I have one end of the cable here plugged down into the port down here. And just to show you, the Starlink Mini is on. You can see it, the blue light down there blinking. And then when I'm looking at the LEDs here on the side, you can see that they are illuminated, but they're not blinking. When you are charging this device, it is when it starts blinking. So let me put this down really quick here. I'm going to grab one end of the cable and then plug it into the port here. So now that's plugged in. Just to reconfirm, the Starlink Mini is powered on, and the LEDs, oh, it is blinking. You can see the last one there on the left, right above my thumb, is blinking. So it's charging this power bank while this is powering the Starlink Mini. So if you have or you're looking for kind of maybe an emergency power, you have it right here in this power bank, and you can top it up while it is charging the Starlink Mini. So a cool little thing that I don't think I've seen covered in other videos to validate, does it charge while you're using the device? And looking at here, I can see it is blinking to charge fully. So overall, I would say the portability of having something that has a lot of battery support for your devices. While it is aimed for the Starlink with the mount, this supports a ton of other products using the 1/4-inch thread that's on the top here underneath this lid. The portability with, or I'm sorry, the stability with having the 3 different legs here really helps keep this secure. And I don't have to worry about the Starlink fall over. You know, see, doing this one-handed. And then I think I already covered this, but just to kind of validate here, there's the power button, and you can see here the lights. Pressing it turns it on, pressing it again turns it off. So one-handed operation. And again, your dedicated Starlink power point underneath this little flap here, USB-C on the other side. And we did confirm that it can charge while it is in use and powering the Starlink itself. So again, I'll put a link to this in the description down below. I picked it up from CTMods. They seem to have the best price for what I could find for what I was actually looking for. They have a bunch of other Starlink Mini accessories too, because I did find one other popular product that folks have is like a battery that plugs into kind of where this mount is, but it is about half the size capacity as this little power bank. Price-wise, you know, it's a little bit less, but you don't get the kind of what I'll like say like an all-in-one where you have a power bank, you have a mount for it, you have a way to power everything with the included cables. So for under $200, this is a great way to be able to ensure your Starlink Mini, which I'm sure if you have one, you bought it for one of the biggest reasons that I have is portability. This is extremely portable, and I'm thankful that I now have an option for when I'm going camping, that I have a way to power devices because again, I can just plug in any USB-C device here and keep either, my wife or my son in the back happy with devices that are charged, and we don't have to worry about it. So hope you guys found kind of this quick little review helpful. I think this is a pretty quick video. I'll put a link to this in the description below, and then code adventure that takes, I think it's like 15, 17, 20 something % off. So thanks for watching. This was Matt from My Model Y Adventure.